Alright, so if you watched my last Supreme Pickups video, you would have seen that was only half of my order and I was still waiting on 2 more items. And today I finally got them. I don't know when you'll be seeing this video, but I got them on Wednesday, so it took like a week and a half for them to get to me. So kind of expected, because week 1's usually really busy and the orders get out late. So super excited to show you guys, but before I show you, make sure to subscribe down below and leave a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. Now on to the accessories that I got from week 1. So like in last pickups video, I'm gonna start off with the free gift and the stickers that I got. So free gift, just got another Army man. So pretty much everybody gets these in all their orders. So I did do a review on this, so make sure to go check that out on my channel after you watch this video. And then here's the stickers I got. Just got the Save the World one, this one, which I already have. I don't really like this one though. And then I got another lottery ticket BOGO sticker. So pretty cool. I'll probably scratch this one off just as you can see. Mine came a bit damaged in the mail, so kind of tragic, but at least I'll have one scratch and then one like brand new, so that's cool. So now on to the accessories. First I'm gonna start off with my least favorite of the two, I guess. And you can probably tell by the box just what it is. And it's the Supreme Pyrex measuring cup. So here's the box it comes in. I probably won't do a review on this just because there's not really much to it, so I guess it'll be like a mini review in this video. So it just says Supreme Pyrex on all the videos, so now I'm gonna open the box and show you what it looks like. So here it is, all glass as you can see, so it's really nice quality. I think Pyrex makes like a bunch of measuring cups, but not too sure. So it says Supreme right here, Pyrex, little red box logo, and then another red box logo. So you can use this cup to measure how big of a hype beast you are. So if you're a 2-cup kind of kid, that means you're a super hype beast, and if you're a 1-cup, that means you're like half a hype beast. So I'd say I'm probably like half a hype beast, I guess. Not really full hype beast, just because there's a lot of hype beast stuff that I don't like. So now on to the next accessory, and this is the favorite of the two, and it's the Supreme Red Pelican Case. I think this thing is so sick in person. When I originally saw a picture for this, I thought it was like a little pill box, so I thought it was super small, but this thing is kind of massive compared to what I thought it was going to be. So here it is, my whole hand pretty much covers it, and I'll take the Supreme BOGO sticker. So it's pretty much the same length as a BOGO sticker, and then I guess it's like 2 of these like across, so pretty good size actually. I'll probably do a review on this, so make sure to check that out on my channel. Just like give you a quick overview. It opens up, let's see. It opens up as you can see, so I'll do a full in-depth review of this in a couple days, so make sure to subscribe so you can see when I post that. But I think this is definitely one of the best accessories that is dropping this season. I think this is going to be really slept on throughout the season, and then once the season's over, I think the value will go up on this. Value's already like $80, $90 for this one, so I could see this easily hitting over 100 once the season's over. So super happy to have this. I'll probably just end up keeping it though and put all of my Supreme stickers in it, just because they all pretty much fit in here, and I think this is just super sick, and I'm really happy to have this. And it was only $48, and usually with something like this, I was honestly expecting it was gonna be like $78 or $88. Usually Supreme accessories are pretty expensive. So when I saw this was like $50, I knew I had to get it. So super happy I got it, and this is definitely the best accessory I have in my collection right now. So hopefully that can change in the next couple weeks, and hopefully I can pick up some better stuff. But overall, I'm super happy with my order, really happy with everything I got from Supreme. So that sums up everything I got from week 1. So hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't, and also leave a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. And I'm super close to 250 subscribers, so it'd be really cool if I can get that in the next couple days or so. So make sure to subscribe, I really appreciate it. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.